It's not Thanksgiving without stuffing.
I have some bread here that I cut into slices and I'm gonna toast for my stuffing. When I was a kid, my sister and I would sit in front of the little black and white TV and cut toast squares for our stuffing. That was always our job while we watched the Macy's Day Parade. It's one of my favorite food memories. So I've got my stuffing base going here. I've got onions and celery. I threw a little garlic in there. Good stuff happening. So I have some spicy sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and whip these guys out of the casings, kind of break them up into little sort of bite-sizey pieces. All right, so we just get it in there and kind of chop it all up. I'm gonna give my hands a rinse. Some apples, some sage. I'm gonna grab my walnuts. And I'm gonna get chopping, get these guys into my stuffing. I have about a half a bunch of sage that I chopped and I'm adding to my stuffing. So I have onions and garlic and celery, my sausage and my apples and walnuts in there. So this is smelling huge and flavorful, and that sage, when you add it, just gives a burst of herby, earthy goodness. So we need a little liquid in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with my apple theme today with a little bit of apple cider, about a cup or so. Good stuff. We're gonna let that cook down. We're gonna add a little chicken stock to that in a bit, but this is looking beautiful. I'm gonna turn this down. Ah, happy, happy girl I am. I toasted and diced up some very rustic country bread. I took the crusts off, toasted it just so it's stiff but no color. Otherwise that would make it rock hard. And it's all diced up. That takes me right back to my childhood. That was always my job. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this sausagey, apple-y goodness to this. Oh. Ah, good. So we're gonna mix this together, and I'm gonna go ahead and moisten up the whole shooting match with some chicken stock. So here we go, some chicken stock. Okay. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna give this a little taste as we're doing this. And you know what? We need a bit of seasoning. Oh, this is gonna be good, good stuff. Sage really just brings such a lovely earthiness to this with the sausage and the apples. Like, you get that spicy sausage and the sweet apple, and then the celery and the onions. This is a great stuffing. Beautiful. Now I've got my baking dish right here. A little sausage for me. Okay, my baking dish right here. Go ahead and get this guy all in there. Look at that. That was a cinch. Okay. Okay, so, let's get this guy in the oven. I need a couple of these guys, because guess what it is? It's turkey time. So, here we go, bottom oven. See you later, stuffing. Yes, all right. So, it's brown and crispy on top, and that's exactly what we're looking for. All right, stuffing time. Apple, sausage, sage, walnuts, woohoo! I rock. Remember, you don't need to be a restaurant chef to cook like one.